have their crypto fight here. Before we start and talk about Fade Tribe, let me tell you one thing. I am not a financial advisor and you should do your own research. So after this short legal advice, let me tell you what I really think about Fade Tribe. The problems that the project is mentioning are real. Many independent fashion designers have a hard time standing out and getting appropriate compensation for their work. And because we are close to living in Web3 world, there should be some room for them so they can have a better and more relaxed life. Everyone deserves to be compensated well if she has done good work and has created some value. I really like the idea behind the platform, a place where anyone can use creativity to create fashion that can be converted into digital art or physical items. I'm hearing this for the first time and it sounds really exciting. And creating an ecosystem for their native token that compensates and stimulates the use of the platform by probably all types of people, designers, buyers, bloggers, influencers, brands, buyers, is a really good idea. This way, you won't have to search for people to promote or buy your stuff. You just need to have something that gets the attention and stands above the competitors. The other thing that we can notice is that they will try to open more markets for independent designers like virtual metaverse stores, fashion marketplaces, in-game storefronts, etc. So this means more eyes on the products created by the users of the platform, which is great because this increases the chance for making a good amount of sales. The market opportunity is really lucrative. We all know what revenue some of the top fashion brands are generating every year. There are always going to be some people that want to look different and unique. The native brand that stands behind the project, Fade Connection, has more than 21 years of history, which is more than a solid experience for a fashion brand. And the fact that a lot of celebrities have purchased their quotes should speak about their uniqueness and quality. All this means serious background and experience in the industry, exactly what we want to see in innovative crypto projects. I think that this is a great sign for potential success. It seems like their FTRB token is going to be used a lot in their ecosystem. The creators have prepared a lot of features for the users of the platform and probably most or all of them will use the token. I believe that this should give a lot of volume to the project. They're going to have only 5 billion tokens that will be split into 5 buckets: community, team and treasury, investors, tech infrastructure, marketing and fashion events. The percentages look fair to me. Nothing special or unique about their vesting schedule or tokenomics. The team consists of really serious people. This is the first crypto project that I see with a chairman coming from the VC world. The CCO of the project is coming directly from the Fade Connection fashion brand, so she definitely knows what she is doing. And the advisors are having a solid background too. I wouldn't say that they have many backers, but we shouldn't forget that the chairman is a founder of an investment fund, so money shouldn't be a problem. The roadmap looks pretty solid, with great plans ahead and not much about their marketing plans except some fashion events and participation in metaverse shows. But this is not a big problem when they have a real fashion brand with over 21 years of history behind them. If you want to learn more details about their plans and how they are going to create their ecosystem, I definitely advise you to check their white paper. It gives a lot of information that is missing from the pitch deck. About their social presence, I can say that they have started to work on it, but regarding the engagement, they have some troubles for now. Their Discord is having the lowest amount of members, about 120 plus members. On Twitter they have over 22,000 followers, but the engagement is pretty low, and their Telegram has over 15,000 users and it doesn't look very active at the moment too. In conclusion, I can say that this is a very unique project with a real offline brand behind it. Actually, we are talking about a solid fashion brand that is planning to enter the crypto world with a bang. They have the contacts, the style, the know-how in the fashion. Now they just need to figure out how to convert offline success to crypto success. With their knowledgeable team and innovative features, they have a good chance to achieve their goals, but maybe they need more members to achieve that. So far, we can see that they are lacking in social engagement in popular platforms. Not a big deal at the moment. The plans that they have shown are ambitious and sound amazing, but only time will show if they can truly fulfill them. I don't know why, but there is a small doubt in me that stops me to say that this is a great project to invest in. So for me, even though it is a unique project and everything sounds perfect, I'm considering this as a risky investment. Maybe because I don't have enough experience in the fashion world. Maybe because they don't have many visitors on their faithconnection.com website based on SimilarWeb. Maybe because their plans sound too big. I don't know. I suppose that projects like Uber and Airbnb have considered risky too, but I just want to be fully transparent with you. Now it is your turn to do your own research and make the final decision. All that I have mentioned so far is my personal opinion and view, and I'm definitely not a financial advisor or guru. So thank you very much for your time, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.